Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to get HeyGen Premium absolutely free of cost for 3 months. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to copy the link on of your browser and paste the link here. You will come into this interface. Here you have to log in first. So I have already logged in, that's why it is showing me like this. So and then you have to click on upgrade plan. Here you have to toggle the button. You have to select the 2000 credits and click on get started, and then you will come into this interface. Here you can see this, there is showing $99. So how you can get it absolutely free of cost? So to get it absolutely free of cost, you have to apply the coupon code. So I am applying the coupon code. As you can see this, I am applying the coupon code, and now I will click on apply, and then I click on subscribe. As you can see this, it is verified successfully. So I have already set up this account. If you can see this, it is showing you are all set. So let's go. You can see this. Now you can see this. I am now on Pro plan. So if you want to get this Pro plan, so let me know in the comment section and watch my video and share it. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.